In this video today, I learned you how to fix error set custom thumbnail on Facebook Reels very easy way. Please follow my method step by step. Look, it's not working. Look, I'm trying to move it, but it stays in the same place. Don't worry, I will fix it. Back out Facebook app. Now turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn it back on. Now press and hold your Facebook app. Click info icon. Click storage. Now delete clear data and clear cache. Now get back from here. Now go to Google Play Store. Search Facebook. Now update your Facebook app. Open Facebook. Now create your Reels. Click Thumbnail. Now you can set custom thumbnails as you wish. See, now it works properly. To get little tips like this, subscribe to my channel now.